In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Jotform platform to create an appointment request form from start to finish. This guide will walk you through a streamlined process that will enable you to efficiently manage appointments with ease. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and navigate to the appointment request form using the Jotform form builder. You can find this by visiting Jotform's website and searching for the appointment request form in their database. Once you're there, you'll see a clean interface that warmly invites you to start building your form. The Jotform builder is intuitive and user-friendly, making the process straightforward even for beginners. Next, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll find the button labeled Add Elements. This is a key feature of Jotform that allows you to customize your form precisely as you need. Go ahead and click on Add Elements. By doing this, you're opening a toolbox packed with various elements such as basic fields, widgets, and payment processors. These elements are the building blocks of your form. You can drag and drop any of these elements into your form, positioning them wherever they are needed. Take your time in selecting the elements that best suit the structure and function of your form. Once you've added the necessary elements, it's time to finalize your form by including a Submit button. In the Jotform builder, find the Submit option. It's typically found within the basic form elements. Clicking on Submit adds this essential component to your form, allowing users to send their appointment request directly to you. With the Submit button in place, your form is almost ready for the world. To ensure everything is functioning as expected, I recommend previewing your form. Jotform provides a preview feature that lets you experience your form exactly as your users will. Simply click on the preview button located at the top right of the builder interface. This step is crucial. You want to ensure all elements perform their intended actions and the form flows smoothly from start to finish. After you're satisfied with how your form looks and functions, you're ready to publish it. Go to the Publish tab, where you can either copy the form link to share via email or social media, or grab the embed code if you want to integrate it directly into your website. And there you have it, a fully functional appointment request form created using Jotform in just a few simple steps. This form can now effectively streamline how you receive and manage appointments, saving time and enhancing your organization.